Hey guys, so OnePlus is very close to announce the upcoming OnePlus 8T, and according to recent leaks, it could launch in this month. But as of now, there is no official confirmation, but OnePlus in China has posted on Vivo about something is coming in September along with this image. So looks like OnePlus 8T is not far from now. Also, we have a first look at the device itself by digging into the source code of the latest Oxygen OS 11 Beta 4, and by looking at the renders, I must say the bezels are very thin on the OnePlus 8T as compared to the OnePlus 8 series. Also, the corners on the OnePlus 8T will have a round shape, whereas OnePlus 8 or 8 Pro has square type corners. On the front side, OnePlus 8T will have a flat panel this time, along with screen size of 6.55 inch, Full HD Plus Fluid AMOLED display with 120Hz of refresh rate. And in terms of performance, phone will pack latest flagship Snapdragon 865 Plus CPU, which is going to support 5G connectivity as well. There is another feature confirmed that OnePlus 8T will have 8K video recording mode preloaded on the device with Sony's 64 megapixel IMX686 main shooter. And talking about the battery compartment, phone will come around 4300 or 4500 mAh battery with massive 65 watts of fast charging on it. And for those of you if you are waiting for the OnePlus 8T Pro, then there will be no Pro variant this year, which means only OnePlus 8T gonna launch along with OnePlus Nord series and upcoming OnePlus Watch. By the way, OnePlus Watch looks very similar just like the Oppo Watch, but we have to wait for more information to come out yet. So that is it in this video guys. Do let me know your thoughts about the OnePlus 8T flat display, and if you end up liking this video, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more updates. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.